fake camera movement. Let's jump in to Premiere Pro. Sweet. So go to New Item, Adjustment Layer, click OK. Once you've created it, drag it onto your timeline above your clip. Make it the same duration as your clip. Let's come about 5 seconds in. Sweet. Cool. Now, let's go to the Effects tab, grab the Transform effect, drag it into our effect controls on our adjustment layer. Amazing, we're there. Cool. Let's create a keyframe, just start at 100. Let's go, so we're on 5 seconds, let's go 8 seconds in. Sweet, so now we're at 8 seconds. Let's make this one about 150. It's going to be quite close to his face, but let's just jump in. Cool. As you can see, we now have a camera movement. Sweet. So now, on our first key, let's also add a position keyframe. Then on the second one, let's drag it up so the position is still having his face within the frame. Cool. As you can see, it's sorted. Cool. So let's just play that back so you can see what's happened. So now we've got to zoom in as he's talking. Perfect. Just what we want. Okay. Now let's make it a bit more buttery smooth. Let's drag and highlight all of our keyframes and let's add Bezier on top. Cool. So now this should be a bit better already. Much more smooth. Cool. So next to scale, you'll see this arrow on the left. Let's click that. Then let's click our right hand keyframe and then let's drag this over here. But then let's also get the one on the left hand side and drag that to the middle. So now you can see the speed ramp is in the middle. So it's essentially going to start slow and go really fast in the middle of the effect and then slow down again at the end. Let's also do the same on the position keyframes. Cool. Just zoom in. Cool. As you can see, we now have 2 speed ramps. Speed this bit up, bro, and just make sure this all looks slick. Cool. Maybe cut out that because I did not center it correctly the first time. Talking to you now, editor. Don't put this in the YouTube video. But now, as you can see, it's central. Yeah, we can live with that. We can live with that. Cool. So now cut back to the video I actually showed us. So now we've added a speed ramp to both the position and the scale. So essentially it's going to slow down, speed up right in the middle, and then slow back down. Let's play it back. Spot on. Cool. As you can see, that has finished and we've got a wicked result there. What we can also do is actually also add a rotation keyframe just to add a bit more spice on top. So what we can do is where our scale and position starts, we can have the rotation on 0, but then over on 8 seconds where it ends, we can also add another 0 and then come center of all of the keyframes. And let's add it to, let's rotate it like that. So we've got about 7 on there. Yeah, let's leave it at 7. Cool. So let's also Bezier up. Let's also add Bezier onto our rotation keyframes. And let's play that back. So as you can see, we've got a dynamic rotation, smooth